This is a network cable crimping toolkit. Full range of network cable tools. Network cable crimping pliers. Mini yellow utility knife. Finger-held 501 wire stripper. Phillips and flathead screwdriver. KD1 punch-down tool. 58/59 wire stripper. 468 cable tester. Box of 10 RJ45 connectors. Make an RJ45 connector with the pliers. Gently clamp and rotate. Strip the cable outer sheath. Cut excess wires with the mini knife. Separate wires quickly with flathead screwdriver. Arrange wires by color code. Straighten aligned wires neatly. Cut neatly at 1 fingernail length. Insert into the RJ45 connector. Crimp the connector firmly with pliers. All done! Install batteries before using the tester. Install the batteries. Put into the battery compartment. Close the cover. Ready to test the finished connector. Plug both cable ends into the tester. Wire sequence 1-8 light up in order. No faults detected.
Xi 2